Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I am unboxing Grandma in a Box. If you do not remember, I actually have reviewed this one before on my blog and unboxed it here for you guys. This is a monthly subscription box created by a grandmother who wanted to bond with her grandchildren who lived pretty far away. So she came up with this idea that you would send a box full of baking goods, and then you can create these cookies together and like long distance, and you're sending them love. Isn't it so sweet? So each box contains like I think 20 finished cookies slash candy items. They're themed boxes, so you'll get to do fun things. Like I think the box I did before was spring flowers. Each box is $20. There used to be a half-off coupon code for your first box. I don't know if that's still out there. If it is, I'll put that down below. But I do have a special surprise. I am doing a giveaway. So one of you guys out there is going to win one of these boxes. All you have to do to enter is comment down below. Let me know that you've entered. I will link both her page and my page on Facebook. And that's how you enter. Just like the pages. And I'll check at the end. And then I'll pick a winner at random. I'll also be doing this on my blog too. So there will be a bunch of different people entered, but I'll use a randomizer and choose somebody. So that's fun, right? I think that's cool. So anyway, I'll link to that. Let's get into the box though. All right, so August beach party treats. So everything comes in these little cups. It's super cute. My kids love this, by the way, because like sugar, like, oh boy. Alright, so August Beach Party Treats. Welcome to the August Grandma in a Box. This month we have 3 new projects, including goldfish bowls, seashell pretzels, and sea life cookies with frosting and sprinkles. So to subscribe, the deadline for the September box is September 3rd, just so you guys know. And alright, so we have the contents of the box, and then I'll go over the recipes once we look through everything. Okay? So we've got a little tin of pretzels and little seashell chocolate things. You see what I'm saying? I think we're going to make something delicious. Melting chocolate in both blue and white. Some marshmallows and lollipop sticks in here. Some goldfish crackers. These are multicolored. Those are so cute. Alright, then some little sugar cookies that are fish. So also when you guys get the box, they do have on the outside a date, like open this by, because the items are perishable. So you have to, you can't just let it sit around. Not that you would. And then there's some stars. Then we have 3 little bags of frosting in both this blue, a salmon-y peach color, and then white. So that does, it's very beachy, right? Oh, summery. All right, then we have white little jimmies. These are the little, like the circular ones. Some sugar crystal, blue sugar crystal, and pink sugar crystal. And then some, this is probably like crushed graham cracker or something for our, probably sand. All right, so our first project is goldfish bowls. So these are little, oh, it's like a lollipop. Is it? Ooh, so you're going to be using the melting chocolate, the marshmallows, the graham cracker crumbs, and the goldfish crackers in this one. And I think it's going to go on the lollipop stick. So then we're going to be doing this, let's go number 2, seashell pretzels. So for this one, we're going to be using the mini pretzels, the melting chocolate, the little no, we're going to be using part of the melting chocolate, the chocolate seashells, and the white pearl nonpareils. That's those little white circular ones. And then finally we have sea life cookie decorating. So we're going to be, the kids really liked this one. And it was like one of those things where as a mom you have to like step back and not want to have control and just let them adorn the cookies however they want. So for that, all you need is the cookies, the frosting, the sanding sugar, which is those crystals, and then the white pearl nonpareils. So that is everything that I received in my Grandma in a Box. I cannot wait to do. If you want to see the kids create their creations, I'll link to the full review below. I will also link to Grandma in a Box. I'll put the coupon code down there. I'll also put the 2 giveaway. I'll put all the details to the giveaway down below to make it really simple for you guys, so you can check that out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!